Do you know the difference between reforestation and afforestation? It might seem like splitting hairs, but these two terms are not just synonyms thrown around by tree lovers. They represent two distinct approaches to one of the most pressing issues of our time, restoring and preserving our planet's green spaces. Reforestation, as the prefix "ari" suggests, is all about giving a second chance to deforested areas. It's like a comeback story for forests that were once lush and thriving but have been reduced to barren land due to human activities or natural disasters. Imagine a phoenix rising from the ashes. That's reforestation in a nutshell. Through carefully planned planting, degraded forests are brought back to life. It's not just about planting trees though. It's a delicate process of reintroducing native species, restoring ecosystems, and ensuring that the forests can sustain themselves in the long run. On the other hand, afforestation takes the concept of planting trees a step further. It's not about rekindling old flames, but starting new ones. Afforestation refers to the process of creating entirely new forest areas on lands that were not forested for at least the past 50 years. Think of it as being a pioneer, venturing into the unknown and transforming barren or unused lands into thriving forests. Unlike reforestation, afforestation often involves introducing new species that are suitable for the specific climate and soil type of the area. So, reforestation and afforestation, while similar in their ultimate goal of increasing the world's forest cover, operate on different premises. Reforestation is like the restoration of a masterpiece, carefully bringing back the original glory, while afforestation is more like creating a new piece of art, starting with a blank canvas and painting a vibrant forest landscape. To summarize, reforestation focuses on restoring what was lost, reviving degraded forests, and rehabilitating ecosystems. It's a process of healing and recovery. Afforestation, meanwhile, is about venturing into new territories, transforming non-forested lands into lush green spaces. It's a process of creation and expansion. Understanding these nuances is key to appreciating the efforts being made to combat deforestation and climate change. So, the next time you hear about reforestation or afforestation initiatives, you'll know exactly what they entail and the important roles they play in preserving our planet's green spaces.